In this short tutorial, you will learn how to show your Instagram story to only one person. Sometimes we want to share something private or special with a specific friend or family member without making it public for everyone to see. Luckily, it's quick and easy to do. To get started, open up the Instagram app. First, I will show you how to make a story that's currently posted, visible to only one person. Tap on your story at the top left corner. Then tap More. And then tap Story Settings. Now you'll see an option called Close Friends. Share your story only with specific people. Tap on it. Then tap on the search bar at the top and search for the person to whom you want to show your story. Tap and select them. Then tap Done. From now on, that specific story is only visible to the person that you selected. If you want to make your future stories only visible to specific people, tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then scroll down a bit and tap Close Friends. Then tap on the search bar and search for the people to whom you want to show your story. Tap and select them. If you want to, you can select multiple people or only one. Tap Done. Now you can post a story. You can take a photo or a video right now or select one from the camera roll. Then add some text and stickers, and edit this as you normally would. After that, tap on the Close Friends button. Now that story is only visible to the people that you selected before. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.